Good afternoon, everybody. In last class, we learned direction ratios and direction cosine. How to find out direction cosine. When two lines are given, how to find out direction cosine. Now, the second question, how to find out direction cosine when two lines are given, two different lines are given, how to find out direction cosine. That we will learn now. The question goes like this. Find the direction cosines of two lines. Find the direction cosines of two lines. Connected by L minus 5m plus 3n is equals to 0. L minus 5m plus 3n is equals to 0. And 7l square plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. When two different lines are given, how to find out direction cosine? Yesterday we did the same concept question. So again, one more question I'm going to explain. Solution goes like this. First, take given line. Two different lines are given. If you observe, one is single degree equation. The second one is second degree equation. Given line. First one, L minus 5m plus 3n is equals to 0. Take it as equation 1. And second line, 7l square plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. Take it as equation 2. By taking the first equation, simplify. Find out L value. 1 implies we will be getting L is equals to 5m minus 3n. Take it as equation 3. Now substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So 2 implies, what is equation 2? 7l square. L means 5m minus 3n whole square plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. 7 as it is. Expand inside term in a minus b whole square. A square 25m square plus b square 9n square minus 2ab, 2 into 5m into 3n. So it is minus 30mn plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. Now again multiply with 7. 7 into 25. 175m square plus 7 into 9. 63n square minus 7 into 30. 210mn plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. Add the similar term. 175 plus 5. 180m square. And second term, take it as 210mn. 63n square minus 3n square plus 60n square is equals to 0. If you observe, 180, 210 and 30, all three are multiples of 30. So directly write divide by 30. If you divide 180 by 30, 30, how much the 180? 6. 6m square minus 210 by 30, 7mn. And similarly 60 by 30, it is 2n square. It is a quadratic equation in terms of Mn. So 6 2s are 12. 12 factors are what? Different factors we have. 4 3s are 12, right? And minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So write 12 as in terms of 4 and 3. So 6m square minus 4mn minus 3mn plus 2n square is equals to 0. Common in 6 and 4, 2m common. So left out here 3m minus 2n. Again in the last two terms, take minus n common. If minus n goes, 3m left. Again in plus, we are taking minus common. So minus left and 2n is equals to 0. Again, both of them, 3m minus 2n common into 2m minus n is equals to 0. So you can take 3m minus 2n is equals to 0 and m minus n is equals to 0. So from here, 3m is equals to 2n, m is equals to 2n by 3. M is equals to 2n by 3. And here 2m is equals to n, m is equals to n by 2. We got two different values of m. In the same way, by taking m, you have to find out L and you have to find out n values. Go to equation 3 and substitute. Take case 1 and case 2. First, case 1. What is our case 1? If m is equals to 2n by 3. Go to equation 3 and substitute. Equation 3 is L is equals to 5m minus 3n. 5m minus 3n. In that substitute m value 5 into 2n by 3 minus 3n. LCM is 3. 5 2s are 10n minus 9n. 10 minus 9 is 1n. You can write n by 3. So L is equals to, we got n by 3. Now we want L1 is to M1 is to N1. What is your L1? N by 3 is 2. What is M1? 2n by 3 is 2. What is N1? N. All in terms of n. In ratio, if like terms we can cancel. So what left out here? 1 by 3 is 2. 2 by 3 is 2. 1 we are getting. Therefore, L1 comma M1 comma N1. So here drs of a line. So drs, direction ratios of a line. What are we getting? 1 comma 2 comma 3. If you take LCM, 3 go the other side. 1 is to 2 is to 3 can be written as 1 comma 2 comma 3. How to convert drs into DCs? Divide by under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So, DCs of a line, direction cosine are 1 by root 14, comma 2 by root 14, comma 3 by root 14. This is case 1. Now, case 2. In case 2, take another value of m. If m is equals to, what we got in case 1? M is equals to n by 2. Take m is equals to n by 2. Go to equation 3 and substitute again. Equation 3 is L is equals to 5m minus 3n. Substitute m value is n by 2 minus 3n. LCM 2. 5n minus 6n. 5 minus 6 is minus n by 2. So L value we got it as minus n by 2. Sir, L value we got it as minus n by 2. Now continue. Therefore, dr of line L2 comma M2 comma N2 we want. So for that L2 is to M2 is to N2 find out. L2 means L minus N by 2. M2 is N by 2. And N2 keep in terms of N only. Here again all are in terms of N. Take N cancel. So minus 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 2 is 2. 1 we are getting. Therefore, L2 comma M2 comma N2. What are we getting here? Minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. Now we have to find out DCs of a line. So in this, how to find out DCs of a line? L value we got minus N by 2 and M value is N by 2 and N value is 1. So we can write 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. Therefore, find out DCs of line. So for that, divide by under root of minus 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. How much it is? Under root of 6. Therefore, DCs of a line L2 comma N2 is equals to L2. What are we getting? Minus 1 by root 6. M2 is 1 by root 6 and N2 is 2 by root 6. So final conclusion. Therefore, both together DCs you write. So what are the first DCs? 1 by under root 14, 2 by under root 14, 3 by under root 14 and minus 1 by root 6 or 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6 are the DCs of a line or DCs of given line, like how you have to solve. When quadratic equation is given, so directly by taking case 1 and case 2, we will be getting two different direction ratios. By dividing them under root of a square plus b square plus c square concept, we will be getting direction cosines of two lines. This is how you have to go. So here one more important step. We got equation is in terms of bigger number. So first make it simplify. Like 180, 210 and 60 is there. If you divide by 30, you will be getting a smaller equation, that is 6m square minus 7mn plus 2n. So this is easy to find out the factors and simplification further it will be easy. So like how you have to solve such kind of questions. One more you have. The concept is same. When two lines are given, we found direction cosines. In the next question, the same kind of lines will be given. He will be asking the angle of the lines, angle between two lines. So what is angle between two lines? Before going to that, you have to find out the formula. Angle between lines, cos theta is equals to two different formulas. If direction ratios are given, you can use mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. So many times students will get confused of this angle formula. In some chapters, we will be using A1, A2 plus B1, B2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square into under root of A2 square plus B2 square. But here, why we are using in terms of CN? So it is the three-dimensional geometry. When three-dimensional geometry, X, Y, Z axis also will be there. So that is why we have to use A1, A2 plus B1, B2 and the third coordinate C1, C2 also we have to use. So like how when three coordinates are there, we have to use this formula. Now, Another one important question is there. So copy down this question. We have to find angle. The question is like this. Find angle between the lines whose DCs are given, whose DCs of a line are given by L plus M plus N is equals to 0, whose DCs of a line or whose DC satisfies the equation L plus M plus N is equals to 0, comma, L square plus M square minus N square is equals to 0. Here also two different types of equations are given. He is asking find angle between the lines. The almost 80% of the process is same like previous question. Only at the end we have to apply angle formula. Solution goes like this. Given lines L plus M plus N is equals to 0, equation 1. L square plus M square minus N square is equals to 0, equation 2. From equation 1, L is equals to minus M minus N. Or you can take minus of M plus N. It's your wish. This is equation 3. Now what is the next step? Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Equation 3 in equation 2. Go to equation 2. 2 implies L square. L means minus M minus N whole square plus M square minus N square is equals to 0. It is in the form of A plus B whole square. Even though both are minus, when both signs are minus, we have to go for A plus B whole square. So this is A square, M square plus N square plus 2mn plus M square as it is minus N square. Cancellation, N square and N square. M square plus M square, 2m square plus 2mn is equals to 0. Common 2m. So left out M plus N is equals to 0. Generally, if we take common, we will be sending to the right side. Here LMN are function. Function never goes to 0. So you have to treat 2m is equals to 0 and M plus N is equals to 0. So from here, one value of M is 0 and from here, another value of M is minus N. Case 1. Case 1. If M is equals to 0, where to substitute M value? In equation 3. What is our equation 3? L is equals to minus M minus N. Minus M is 0 minus N. Therefore, what is L? Minus N. Now, therefore, dr of a line. Drs of a line. Whenever you are using drs of a line, L1 is to M1 is to N1. What is L1? Minus N. What is M1? 0. And what is N1? N only. Now cancel N and N. So L1, M1, N1 is equals to how much we are getting? Minus 1, 0, 1. No need of finding direction cosine. So directly we'll apply direction ratios formula. Next, case 2. If M is equals to minus N. Again go to equation 3. 3 is L is equal to minus M minus N. Substitute minus as it is. M means minus N. Minus into minus plus. N minus N. Both are getting cancelled. We are getting L value is 0. Therefore, drs of a line. Drs of a line. L2 is 2. M2 is 2. N2. L2 is 0. M2 we got it is minus N and N2 is N. Cancel N and N. Therefore, L2, M2, N2 values are what? 0, -1 and 1. We got L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. Directly apply the formula. Therefore, theta is the angle between equation 1 and equation 2. So cos theta is equals to modulus of A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into under root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Now substitute. First values are A1, B1, C1. Second values are A2, B2, C2. So minus 1 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by under root of minus 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square into under root of 0 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square modulus. First term 0, second term 0. So third term 1 into 1 is 1. Cos theta is equals to 1 by 1 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again 1 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 is 2. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. Cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore cos which angle is 1 by 2? 60 degrees. Or you can write pi by 3 also. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. So angle between the given lines, how much? Theta is equals to 63. Most important question it is. So if direction cosine asked, up to here you have to stop. L1, M1, N1 and L2, M2, N2. By dividing the term, you will be getting direction cosine. If angle is asked, just apply cos theta formula and substitute the values which are given. So like how you have to go. The one more important question, you can expect either direction cosine or angle. If these two missed last time in the March, the question has come angle between diagonals of a cube. That is also I'm going to explain now. So next question. Question goes like this. Angle between diagonals of a cube. Important question. Angle between diagonals of a cube. So for that, first you have to draw the cube. The right side of this, first draw the cube. In 3D plane, we have to draw the cube. So for that, the short way I will tell you, first draw two squares. Like this. One in another. Join the corners. So this is a cube, right? Now, horizontal line drag, this becomes x-axis. And this corner line, vertical line drag, this becomes y-axis. And this corner line drag, this becomes z-axis. Now this intersection of three lines will be origin. Now how to name it? On x-axis, take A. On y-axis, take B. On z-axis, take C. Again, between x and y, D. Y and z, E. And x and z, F. All three, G. Now what is our cube? O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G is a cube. So here, let O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G is the cube of side A. Cube means all sides will be equal. So we have to take a side A. First, vertices, name them. First vertex, origin. Always origin are 0, 0, 0. Now take a vertex. What are the vertices of A, B, C, D, and E? A is on x-axis, right? Only x-axis will be there. The remaining two 0. So means x coordinate is A, the other two is 0. Next B. It is on y-axis. Only y place is A, the other two 0. C. C is on z-axis. Only z will be A, the other two 0. So this is about ABC. Next, D. D is between x and y. So x and y will be there. Z becomes 0. So A, 0. Next, E. E is where it is between y and z. So x is 0. It is between y and z. So x is 0. So 0, A. Next, take F. F is between x and z. So y will be 0 here. Fine. Now, G. G is between all three. So G is equals to A. By seeing the diagram, we have to mention the vertices like this. Now, what is the question? Angle between diagonals of a cube. What is the question? Angle between diagonals of a cube. First, we have to identify the 4 diagonals in the cube. What are the 4 diagonals? See, the 4 diagonals of a cube are the 4 diagonals of a cube are first diagonal. Directly you can see OG is a diagonal, CD is a diagonal, AE is a diagonal, and BF is a diagonal. So what are the 4 diagonals? OG, CD, AE, and BF. These are the 4 diagonals. Okay. Now, what is the question? Find angle between the diagonals. Take any 2 diagonals. I am taking OG and CD, or it's our wish. Any of 2 diagonals you take. So here, theta is the angle between the diagonals. Taking OG and CD. For finding angle, we want direction ratios. Do we have direction ratios? No. We have vertices. When 2 vertices are given, how to find out direction ratios? We have a formula. drs of OG. O vertex we have, G vertex we have. How to find out? X2 minus X1, comma Y2 minus Y1, comma Z2 minus Z1. O vertex is X1, Y1, Z1, and G vertex is X2, Y2, Z2. Come on. drs of OG, what are we getting? A minus 0, comma A minus 0, comma A minus 0. So is equals to A. In drs, we have a concept. If the coordinates are in proportion, we can remove that. Here A is same. Therefore, directly drs of OG. Shall I write 1, 1, because A getting cancelled. Next, for finding angle, we need drs of another diagonal. What is another diagonal? CD. Next, drs of CD. How to write here? C point is X1, Y1, Z1, and D point is X2, Y2, Z2. Come on. X2 minus X1, A minus 0, comma, Y2 minus Y1, A minus 0, comma, Z2 minus Z1, 0 minus A. Here again, A minus A. If you take A cancel, 1, 1, minus 1. So this is what? drs of CD. Now find out angle. So angle between the diagonals. cos theta is equals to modulus of same formula a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So a1 b1 c1 are OGDR and A2, B2, C2 are CDR. So substitute modulus of A1, A2, 1 into 1 plus B1, B2, 1 into 1 plus C1, C2, 1 into minus 1 by under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square. So simplify modulus of 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 by under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is 3 into again under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is 3 plus 1 minus 1 cancel in the numerator. So we got 1 by root 3 into root 3, 3. So cos theta is equals to 3 we got. So I'm writing it here in the corner. We got cos theta is equals to 1 by 3. So what is angle? Angle means only theta we want. So for that, theta is equals to, if cos goes to the other side, theta is equals to cos inverse it becomes. Cos inverse of 1 by 3. So like how you have to find out. First main thing, we have to draw the cube. After that, name the vertices. After that, take the vertices in order. Then identify the diagonals, the 4 diagonals. In that, select any 2 by taking theta is the angle between them. After that, find out the direction ratios of the 2 diagonals, whatever we have taken. Then apply angle between 2 diagonals is cos theta formula. By substituting, we will be getting cos theta value is 1 by 3. So it is nothing but theta is equals to cos inverse 1 by 3. So if you have any doubts in it, you can drop your message. So similarly, you can find out angle between the 4 diagonals and the ray. That is also a question is there. Angle between 2 lines are there. And finding direction cosines is there. So like how you have to continue this chapter. The weightage of this chapter is 7 marks. So we'll continue the next chapter. Before going to the next chapter, there is one more interesting question in this chapter, one last question. When 3 vertices are given, how to find out angles of different angles? This is also another important question. You can expect this question. The vertices of a triangle are, question is like this. The vertices of a triangle are the vertices of a triangle are 1, 4, 2, minus 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, minus 4. Sir. 2, 3, minus 4. 3 different vertices are given. Question is find angle A, angle B, angle C. When 3 vertices are given, how to find out? So the solution goes like this. The simple question. First take the triangle, name them ABC. We want angle A, we want angle B, and we want angle C. For finding angle A, what we want? Either 2 sides we want or 2 direction ratios we want. So by that, you have to take the solution. So let ABC are the vertices. Are the vertices of a triangle. So take A vertex is 1, 4, 2. And B vertex is minus 2, 1, 2. And C vertex is 2, 3, minus 4. Then find out the direction ratios of all 3. So first, DRs of AB. When 2 vertices are given, what is dr? X2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. A point is x1, y1, z1. B point is x2, y2, z2. Come on, substitute. Minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 4, 2 minus 2. Getting as what? Minus 3, 0. As I said, if it is a multiple, you can remove. Here, what is the multiple? Minus 3 is in both. So, DRs of AB. So, directly I can write 1, 0. Next. DRs of BC. All 3 sides find out. DRs of BC. B point is x1, y1, z1. C point is x2, y2, z2. So, directly come on. 2 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. And 3 minus 1, minus 4 minus 2. So we are getting 4, 2, minus 6. Here again, every element term is a multiple of 2. Take 2 common, 2, 1, minus 3. This is about DRs of BC. Next, DRs of CA. Same, C point is x1, y1, z1. A point is x2, y2, z2. Come on, x2 minus x1. 1 minus 2, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 3, and 2 plus 4. So here again, minus 1, 1, 6. Now we have DRs of all 3. Find A. Angle A means what? A is the angle between, if you see the diagram, what is angle A? What is angle A here? It is between the DRs of AB and AC. So that only mentioned here. A is the angle between DRs of AB and AC. So come on, cos A is equals to, we have a formula, directly substitute A1, A2, B1, B2 plus C1, C2. DRs of AB are A1, B1, C1 and DRs of AC are A2, B2, C2. Come on, 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 6 by under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square into under root of minus 1 square plus 1 square plus 6 square is equals to minus 1 plus 1 plus 0 by root 2 and root 38. In numerator, plus 1 and minus 1 getting cancelled. Cos A is equals to 0 by anything is 0, right? Therefore, what is angle A? Cos inverse of 0. Cos which angle is 0? 90 degrees. So, angle A we got it as what? 90 degrees. Similarly, angle B we have to find out. How to find out angle B? The direction angle between the direction ratios of AB and BC. The same format. Next. B is equals to angle between DRs of AB and BC. So come on. Cos B is equals to modulus of A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2. BC is A1, B1, C1. CA is A2, B2, C2. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 6 by under root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 3 square into under root of minus 1 square plus 1 square plus 6 square. Simplify. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 18 by under root of 9 plus 1 10 plus 4 14 under root of 36 plus 1 37 plus 1 38. So cos B is equals to 18 plus 1 19, 19 minus 2 17, 17 by root 14 into root 13. Both are bigger numbers, you need not multiply. Just B is equals to cos inverse of 17 by root 14 into root 38. Leave like this. One more angle. If this would be in degrees, so directly you can take angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. But this is not perfect angle. You cannot do. So you have to find out. Also, C is equals to angle between DRs of angle C. How do you get? BC and CA. DRs of BC and CA. Come on. Cos C is equals to modulus of so here you can write once again. So directly here you can write BC and CA. This is angle C. So cos C value, we got it as cos inverse of 17 by root 14 and root 38. Now take angle B. Angle B is equals to what? Angle between AB and BC. AB and BC. Come on. Cos B is equals to what are the values of AB? 110 and 21 minus 3. So directly substitute 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 0 into minus 3 by under root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 0 square into under root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 3 square. So 2 plus 2 plus 0 by under root of 4 plus 1 root 5 into under root of root 14. So 4 by root 5 into root 14. This is cos B. So B is equals to cos inverse of 4 by 14 into 5, 90. 70. 4 by under root of 70 you can write. So like how we have to find out. Therefore, final conclusion, cos A is equals to 90 degrees we got. Cos B is equals to cos inverse of 17 by root 14 into root 38 we got. And angle C is equals to cos inverse of 4 by under root of 70 we got. A simple question it is. Many times this question has come for 7 marks. You can practice like this way. So with this, I've completed the direction cosines and direction ratios. Weightage is 7 marks. In the next class, we'll be going for plane and 3-dimensional geometry. So both weightage is 2 marks. So tomorrow's class, we will be learning both 2 marks questions. Thank you. No,